Greetings folks, I'm Bob of All Trades and I am happy to announce a newcomer to the laptop market called zTecpc. Now zTecpc is a subsidiary of New Dream Inc. If you have not heard of New Dream Inc., they're a massive company, and because zTecpc is a subsidiary of them, this is going to grant them a large opportunity for the consumer. For starters, they are an authorized service provider for Asus, Dell, HP, Lenovo. They can build to order for MSI laptops, as well as their own zTec branded Clevo-based solution that we have right here, and I'm in the middle of reviewing this. So as a reviewer, this is going to grant me the opportunity to review a wide variety of hardware. And far as the consumer is concerned, they have a wide choice and variety, 20,000 laptops ready to go in their inventory. They have a large and fast technical support staff, free ground shipping within the continental US. They will ship outside of the United States. More information on that in the description below. And the list goes on with upgrades and just a very nice competitive opportunity and option out there for the consumer and me as a tech channel. But do us all a favor. For one, go to ztecpc.com and just take a look at their website, take a look at the pricing, see what kind of options they have, then supply some feedback in the comments below, should you wish, right? That's gonna help out zTecpc. But for me, okay, take a look on there and just see what you want me to review, okay? Because I was able to spec this out how I saw fit. That's a pretty unique opportunity, okay? As a tech channel, we usually just get laptops the way they are. They said, no, Bob, just let me know what you want, how you want it spec'd out. So that is what I did. And it's very exciting for me, okay, as a tech channel, because those opportunities, especially as a small tech channel, just don't happen as often as I would like. And thank you, zTecpc, for not only the opportunity, but also the freedom and versatility to essentially do whatever I want. And I can't thank you enough for that. So friends, community, check out the link below, zTecpc. Let me know what you think of them, their website, and perhaps what you want to see next from Bob of All Trades. All right, folks, that's going to do it. Everything in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.